one person we could all love a kiss from.
There
Ryan.
it is. There it is. And look what we were blessed with today. Look at that. Yeah, some higher thin clouds. Don't worry about that. They're going to move on out for tomorrow. Actually be back for the weekend too. We're going to probably see a lot of that over the weekend, but we're still going to keep the temperatures on the warm side. Hit 80 actually in a couple of places today, not the airports you're seeing right now, but they're on their way. So we're anticipating that happening for today. Definitely looking at a very long stretch. I mean, when we finally hit 80 yesterday, look at that, 125 days we had to wait for it. Maybe you weren't waiting for it because you had so many 70s leading up to that practically that it seemed so nice. Sycamore showed up with our allergy forecast there, mulberry pine as well in the high category. So if you're suffering from that, it's that time of year for trees. During the summer, there'll be a lot of grass. You expect that to come up and the ragweed to really start to come up if you're affected by that. 13 first alert SatRad. Look how nice that looks. There's your cloud cover right there. Get a little bit of a break from that. And then look what's just offshore. We're going to see more of this in for the weekend, so we're going to get that started again. But that's okay. That's okay. It's not going to change the temperatures much, and I think that's the bottom line for people. They're ready for maybe more of a longer stretch of not having to pull out different clothes and put away different clothes, right? They get the thick stuff out. Now you can just wear all the thin stuff. All right, it looks pretty nice right now overnight, so temperatures almost to the 60-degree mark as anticipated. I love the way it's looking for the afternoons as well. More 80s than anything else for tomorrow. Even though we have a lot of 70s today, we're really going to just be devoid of those 70s and have more 80s at the end of each day for the next few days. And once again, we bumped up the numbers a little bit for the weekend. Sunday, I think we'll push almost to the middle 80s again in most areas. I mean, Good Friday looks good. Everything looks good. I think even next week, we have a really good shot at flirting with, if not coming close to in a few areas, the 90s. And that is what Death Valley will likely see for the next couple of days, but not us. It's going to take till the middle to the end of next week for us to get those very rich numbers, which put us much closer to that 90-degree mark. You knew it was around the corner once the 80s showed up. And overnight lows once again stay on the mild side into the 60s. Back to you, Masa.
Okay, thank you, Brian.